all you beautiful people out there. I am Mrs. Realistic. Welcome once again back to my channel. We've got some more Steven SEAGULLS, and I was given a heads up by one of you lovely viewers out there that they do PANTERA Cemetery Gates. Now, I think this came out when I was maybe 16 or 17. And PANTERA was my jam back then. You know I'm just an old head now, but I actually used to listen to some pretty badass music, okay? I'm cool. I used to be cool anyway. So I'm really excited to check this out. I know that they will do it justice. Now, PANTERA is known for a lot of heavy music, but the lead singer actually had a really amazing voice. These guys also have amazing voices, so it'll be really interesting to see how they change this song up. If you'd like to join along with me, please don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment down below, click the bell for notifications so that you will always know when another video comes out. And if you would like to do a donation request, there is a link to my PayPal in the description down below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, all these lucky people. They don't even know what they're into. In for.
Is this some conspiracy? Crucified for no sins. Maybe beneath me. What's within our plans for life? It all seems so unreal. I'm a man caught in half in this world, left in my misery. Red, he turned to me without a tear in his eyes. It's nothing new for him to see. I didn't ask him why. I will remember the lost souls had sworn to make. Now I watch the falling rain. All my mind can see now is yours. Well, I guess you took my youth.
These people might know what song this is. I bet half of them don't.
I must reverse my life. I can't live in the past. They'll set my soul free. Belong to me at last. Through all those complex years, I thought I was alone. I didn't care to look around and make this world my own. And when she died, I should have tried, spared myself some pain. Left me incomplete, all alone as the memories.
Not even a smile? Come on, people!
The way we were.
This is my favorite part.
The chance to save my soul, and my concern is now in vain.
He's got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pants on. how he knows where to put his fingers. Yeah, I dig that.
Believe the word. I will unlock my door and pass the cemetery.
Yeah, and those people, but one person clapped. Yeah, see, there's the original, right? They're a bunch of sticks in the mud. They don't realize that they just witnessed greatness. That couldn't have been probably further from the original, but you still knew what song it was. And that's what I love about these guys is they put like this crazy flavor into their covers. And as weird as an accordion would be for heavy metal, it just works. Now, a couple things I wanted to point out that I think is hilarious. I think this is meant to look like seagull poop, and it's probably not by accident, but if it is, that's even more amazing. And then this dude wearing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle jammy pants. I don't think that he's even old enough to have been privy to the first go-around of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I was lucky enough to have witnessed that, but I'm old. And I think it's so funny that all of these kind of cartoons and characters are sort of coming out again when we are having kids, because it becomes this nostalgia and we want our kids to get into it as well. So, hey, and it makes money for the companies. So, you know, everybody's happy. These people, like, she looks like she just ate a piece of poop. This girl looks like she's super annoyed that they're interrupting her reading. And then these people just look over and keep walking. If there was a band like this playing in a park somewhere, like, I couldn't not stop and enjoy it. But hey, I guess there's no accounting for taste, and that's a sad part of our society now, is like people are just too busy to stop and smell the roses, so to speak. I always say, like, when I see things like this, or when I watch videos of Ren when he was busking back in Brighton, these people that walk along the street and they come up upon this kind of stuff, like, how lucky are you to have witnessed this amazing group of musicians, and you can just stand there and get a free show. But instead, they just walk past. It's crazy to me. Who knew that bluegrass could cover Pantera and do such a great job? We have now just witnessed the proof. So thank you, everybody, for taking time out of your day to join me. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And as I always say, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.